another video. In this video, I will be doing a unboxing.
Hello.
And guess what we unboxing?
What's in my case?
So I got the MacBook Air 15-inch, 1 terabyte storage, and 24 gigabyte memory in silver.
What is mine?
This is what it look like.
So good.
I don't want this.
I did order some accessories, but our decorating video will be another video. It's not that big.
What is that?
The box gave it more thought it was gonna be heavier.
What is mine? What is mine and run?
So also in the box is paperwork, charger cube, and the cord. And I'm gonna forever keep saying this. Apple fell off when they stopped giving the Apple stickers. Like, why aren't you giving Apple stickers? Like, that's the whole point of the Apple device, so I can put the Apple sticker on everything that I own. Duh. Okay, let's take it out the paper. Get me out the plastic. I bet I can brand new. And let's see. Oh, next.
Is my data on there? Is that my data on there? Mama, your computer is cute.
Thank you, baby.
So cute.
Can I touch it?
CJ,
Yeah.
so cool. So cool. So cool.
Ooh.
Yeah. So cool.
Okay, so this is the opening screen. I'm just gonna set it
Mama,
up.
you have that like now.
Mhm. I'm just about to set it up. I'm gonna do it off camera though.
It's on the chart.
There you go. Wow, this is nice. I am going to figure out some things and then I will get back to you. Okay, so live from the editing room. It's been a few days and I really enjoy the MacBook. Like, honestly, I did a little bit of editing, but I've been watching YouTube, watching Apple TV, and just the whole concept of like a huge iPad. Like, I've been an iPad girl, so a huge iPad that I can is 10 out of 10 for me. I'm still getting used to it, so when I get to learning outs and ins, and I will tell y'all tips and trips, tips and tricks. Like, I just learned that there's no camera app, so you have to go to QuickTime Player. Go to QuickTime Player, open it, left click. No, that's right click. Excuse me, right click, and then new recording, and that's how you can record a video on here. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's cool. It works. But yeah, I thank y'all for watching so much. There will be more. I guess it'll be like a learning my MacBook kind of series kind of thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Adios, amigos.